Hey family, so I'm gonna make some dessert. I'm gonna make some strawberry muffins. I'm gonna use the oven. So I took everything out of the oven that I had storage in, and so now I'm going to start the oven. And the way this one works, I have to, here we go. I have to turn this, there we go. I have to turn this button, and then the oven is over here. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the muffin started. So I just realized I don't have a measuring cup, so I gotta add that to the list, measuring cups. So I'm gonna melt a little bit of butter because why? We have a microwave. We have a microwave. So I'm gonna melt a little bit of butter. I'm gonna get the batter mixed up. So the butter is gonna go to grease this pan. It's a collapsible silicone pan for the oven. So let's go ahead and get that started. So I'm gonna slice off a little bit of butter. And then we're gonna put this in the microwave for a few seconds. Okay, so that's going. Next, we're just gonna pour the batter in here, and I'm just gonna have to eyeball it. I have a whisk around here somewhere. I'll find it. Not today. I'll find it another day. Find it another day. So we're just gonna mix this up. We're gonna eyeball it. So it's a half a cup. Stop there. Just gonna mix this all up. And I'm also gonna pour some of the butter in here as well. Whenever you're baking stuff, you don't want to overmix your batter. Okay, that's perfect. Let's get this oven preheated. Was a try, and that didn't work, but I have an air fryer, so we're gonna put it in the air fryer. I will be back. Okay, family, whenever there's a will, there's a way. So I remember a couple years ago we went to Mexico and they didn't have a stove and we wanted brownies and we actually made them on top of the stove. So that's what I did. Poured the batter in. We made it on top of the stove. The stove is off right now, so let's see. Woo! Not too bad. It is soft. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. What's better?
Hey, Kylie. What do you think?
Okay.
Give you high
Okay, not bad.
I had so much fun.
There it goes, nice and fluffy.
He missed out on all that, but I think he came through in the end. He did really miss
Because I couldn't get the oven to turn on, so I made the muffins on top of the stove. Taste test. I know, because the bottom, it didn't, with the oven, the heat is everywhere, so oh, it must be good. She then took 2 bites at the same time. Is it good? Is it good? Okay, success. Woo-hoo. So there you go, people. If you don't have an oven, you can do some baking on the stove top. Just turn it down really, really, really low, and just cover it and let it do its thing. So, whoop, success. Bye.